Hi, and welcome to the tutorial video of the vertical drop-in sleeve for Chromebooks and laptops. Simply slide your Chromebook or laptop into the case. Close it effortlessly by zipping it shut. The case is easily picked up and carried by the double handles, but there are also plastic rings at the top to attach the optional secure shoulder strap. There is a large zipper accessory pocket with a soft interior lining on the front of the case to store cables and personal items. Free custom school or company logo embossing is available to personalize your cases and highlight your brand. On the back side is a handy pocket to conveniently store your phone or other small devices. And there's an ID card holder to insert your name card for easy identification. The vertical drop-in sleeve for Chromebooks and laptops has been rigorously tested and can withstand drops from as high as 6 feet. And don't forget, all our cases always come with free custom logo embossing, a 10-year warranty, and free shipping.